the idea is that if you can have a bicycle that's seriously lighter than and more compact than anything that exists at the moment, that it'll change the way in which people see bikes. The principal use for the bike really is city or town travel, relatively short journeys, but very much also mixed mode journeys where you're hopping on off a bus perhaps, or using a train, generally getting about, and it changes the range of flexibility in which you can use a bicycle. The A-bike will also be very useful, I think, for yachtsmen. I mean, yachtsmen particularly need a lightweight vehicle for getting into town, and they particularly need a vehicle that won't rust. Of course, most of the materials used here are completely rust-free. Light aircraft are a similar application, and also campers. Campers very much concerned with weight again. They don't want to carry too much of the camp, and they need to be able to get around the camp and get into town for their groceries.